What's up, dingoes and dingas? If you're a home chef or if you're just starting to learn, we have an awesome deal today on a professional grade blender from Vitamix. Let's get digging. Today's deal comes directly from Amazon. Currently, you can purchase a Vitamix Explorian blender with a low profile 64-ounce container for $149.99. Now, this deal ends within the next 4 hours, so you'll need to act quickly if you want to pick up a unit at this price point. If we look at historical pricing trends, we can see that this is in fact the lowest price that this blender has ever gone for on Amazon. The average price is around $280. Even if you compare the current price to the typical used price, you can see that this is an amazing deal. Now, a few things worth noting. First and foremost, this is a certified refurbished unit. Now what this means, at least for Amazon, is that the unit will look and function just about new. It does come with a 90-day warranty from Amazon, so if there are any issues, you can return it. It also comes with a 3-year warranty from the manufacturer, so that if the unit doesn't work, you can also go through the manufacturer to get the unit replaced. The second thing to know is that while this item comes with free shipping, it does not come with Prime shipping, so it may take a few extra days for you to actually receive the item. Now, if you're unsure about purchasing a certified refurbished item, I will include a link to this review down in the description. Additionally, if you aren't sure about this particular model, I will go ahead and also provide a link to this article by thekitchen.com, which goes into detail and provides specific use cases for each Vitamix model. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And as always, I've included relevant links down in the description. Thank you.